Alright, now let's look at the needs of plants and animals. So the needs of plants. So all plants have to have food or nutrients. They have to have water, air, space to grow, and sunlight. So here we see the different needs. So they take in nutrients through the soil. They have to have water, whether that's through rain or us watering them, sunlight, air, and then space. So some plants are good at growing in pots, others need to be grown in a larger area like a field. The needs of animals. Animals must have food, water, air, space, and shelter. So again, here we see the needs of animals. So animals must have food, so whether they eat plants or meat, they must have water, air to breathe, and then they must have space to grow. Here we see a lion that's kept in captivity, and then a lion out in the wild. So a lion in captivity will not grow. We'll see stunted growths compared to the lion in the wild. Then there must also have shelter. So here we see a birdhouse. Now a bird could also live in a basic nest, but animals must have some kind of shelter.